You including calls to action? I'm your dark horse host, Tracy Brinkman. Now, let's start with how to improve your CTAs by 202%. And I come up with this one because there was a study done in HubSpot, which they analyzed over 300,000 marketing emails, all of which had calls to action or CTAs. Now, these emails, well, let me say the emails that had personalized call to actions, those personalized CTAs, right? We've all seen them where they include your name or some tidbit of information that you shared with them when you first signed up. Those ones with that personalized CTA performed over 202% better than those without. Just let that sink in for a quick moment. Imagine getting double the clicks, which would result in double the conversions, which could result in what?